What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out this rear bumper top step pad with pre-drilled backup sensors designed to fit the 2015 to 2020 F-150s, but not including the Raptors. This is a great replacement option for F-150 owners needing a new step pad, especially if your truck is equipped with those factory backup sensors. This step pad is designed to restore functionality and appearance of your F-150's rear bumper. It's pre-drilled for those backup sensors, ensuring compatibility with trucks equipped with that feature, while maintaining the factory style and fit and finish. The textured surface provides slip resistance, offering added safety when stepping onto the bumper, even in wet or muddy conditions. Crafted to match with the OEM specifications, this step pad seamlessly integrates with your factory bumper for a cohesive and polished look. This rear bumper step pad is made from high quality, durable materials, chosen for strength and resistance to wear. This textured black finish matches your truck's build and enhances the durability of the step pad, ensuring it won't easily fade or crack over time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that mid $100 price range, making it an affordable solution for restoring the functionality and the aesthetics of your truck's rear bumper. Installing this bumper step pad is a straightforward process, so it earns only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. This is a direct replacement and all the necessary hardware is going to be included. So now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
All right, in order to replace your rear bumper step pad on your F-150, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver in order to pry out some clips and lights. You need some pliers, and down some clips to install the key to take out the lock. You're going to need this drill, the 5 32nd size bit. License plate in your new step pad. Alright, so we are going to be replacing this 2019 F-150's rear bumper step pad. A little bit of damage because the trailer came off the hitch and got jammed right there. So we'll be replacing that. So first you're going to want to go ahead and take off your license plate. I already did that. Just for practical reasons, I guess. So right here, open this up, get your key. Go in, push to the right, it pulls right out. That will help you lock this in place. So next, you're gonna pop these lights out on both sides that light up your license plate. Just get a flathead screwdriver and go in onto the side. And just pry them out a little bit. There's 2 clips on each side. All right. Now you're gonna unplug the light from this plug right here. Grab this and push in and twist to the left, and it pops right out. All right, and do this on both sides. Over here, pop it out, and then twist, pops right out. Just gonna put those back in there. Make sure you keep these because you're gonna use these on your new step pad. So we're gonna come underneath the truck, and right back here is where it is. There's 2 clips right here on each side, silver clips. You're going to squeeze them in, and push out. All right, now you're going to unplug this wire right here. All right, so we push this out back through here so we can come through here and show you how you unplug right here. So there's this clip right here. You're gonna push this in, your thumb, and this pops right out. And push that right back through. And save this because you're also gonna need this. All right, next step is to take out or unplug these sensors right here. They're on both sides. So you're gonna come underneath. There's a plug right here. And there's this clip right here at the end, and you're gonna push in and you hear that click. Once you push it, and then you hear that click, you just slide it right out. All right, and we're gonna leave these in here for now. We'll take this part out, the actual sensor, once we get the rest of the plastic off. All right, so next step is to pop out all these little clips right up from here. And they go all along the whole deal. So you can get some needles or some pliers, squeeze them tight, just push out. Just try to manhandle it, just pop them out. We kind of already got these going a little bit, so they're a little bit easier. But just have to work with them. You can break them off if you need to, because you might not need the step yet. But so just go along and start popping them out. Once you've got them all popped out, you come back out through here. You're just gonna start popping them, pulling up on this plastic. Try to get them all out. And it should just pop right off like that. Right. We're gonna be taking out the sensors because we're gonna reuse these right here. We're gonna come along to the back side. This right here is where we unplugged them from before we took the whole plastic off. So there are these tabs right up here on the top, right up here that's holding in this. So just lift up on it, and I squeeze them out a little bit, and come around to the back side and push this in. Once you've got these popped out, it just pops right out. Now there's this little ring, this little rubber ring that might fall off with it. Make sure you keep that. Throw it back on there. You need to reuse it. The flat side goes up on the top. And so we're going to do that to the other side. Just come along, pop those out, push through from the other side, comes right out. That's when the rubber piece stayed on. Or sorry, I was wrong actually. The rubber piece stays on like that. Alright. So they should look like this once you pop them out. Now you're going to get the plastic part. There's this little tab right here, up on the end. Push it in a little bit. And underneath that plastic, you just pop them right out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and place these back in here. Squeeze them in. Just like that. And we're going to reuse these sensors on the new pad. Alright, so next we're going to get the new rear bumper step pad. We're going to be drilling in the holes for our license plate. We're going to come around to the back, and we've got a 5/32 size drill bit. You can probably just try to, I don't know, get some kind of needle or something, poke a hole through them. It's kind of thin, but it's going to go right through. Just real easy, just pop a little hole in them for your screws for your license plate. Alright, so now that we've got the holes drilled out for a license plate, I'm going to come in and line this up. We're going to be popping these clips in for these little openings right here. So, like I said earlier, that on this truck, it was hauling a trailer, and the trailer came off, and they kind of did some damage to it. So this is a little bent. Yours should be flat. So ours won't be able to line up perfect, but we're gonna do the best that we can. So you're just gonna come over here and get them lined up. All right. And the easiest to start from the middle. You just start popping them, just push in and lining them up. Feed them through with some pliers or something. Just work along and get every one of them popped in. Just like this. Alright, so next we're going to be putting the sensors back in here. Once you've got this all fitted in and lined up good. Once again, just pop that sensor out. Plastic, you have to put them back in like I did. So the ring goes in this way with the left part up or down there. And there's this opening right here where where this fits in going that way. All right, so you want the opening on both sides to be facing in towards your hitch. So on the right side, the opening going in towards the left. Just pop it in there like that. We'll do the same deal with the other side. Center out. The opening is now facing this way, going towards the right. Pops in just like that. Alright. So now we're going to go into the bottom. Put the center back into where we just got it out of. Right here. Pop it in just like so. Clip where we took it out a second ago. Click. Good. Do the same thing to the other side. Push it all the way in to where it's flat over here on this other side, right? Go in and like that. Peel back in. Hear that clicking? Good. All right. Now that we're already down here, we're gonna get the light bulbs from be able to illuminate your license plate. You're just gonna fit them right back through the hole where they came through. Reach in on the other side, grab it. Now we're ready to put our light bulb back in. Once again, it's going to go in with these clips right here. Just got one clip on this side, these two clips right here. So we go in and up in there, put it in, give it a twist to the right, tighten it in, good to go. Pops right in just like that. And on the other side, twist, pops right in. Put in our running lamps and all that for the trailer. It goes in with plug going up on the top. Just pop right in just like that. Alright, sorry my phone died there for a second. So, once you get this pushed in right there, you're going to come in from the bottom. You got this deal right here. Alright. Line it up. Just push it in. All that low, but you're good to go. Alright, so now you're just going to go in, and the key's on lock, so take it out. Opening's facing down. Push it all the way in, and just lock it. Alright, and there you have it. Now you're done placing your rear bumper step pad. This is how it should look once it's finished.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for our review and install of the rear bumper top step pad with pre-drilled holes for the backup sensors on your 2015 to 2020 F-150s, but not including the Raptor. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.